time for some maintenance. Enough splashing around. There's the filter to go in, the 20 gram chlorine tablets. And on this one it doesn't have the float, it has what's called chem connect, which is this. And you put the tablets in this and it connects to the hot water coming out underneath, which is above the water filter, and you control the flow of the chemicals coming out by the little adjusting slide on the side, like so. I don't normally do this when I'm in the tub. I'm not going to run it when I'm in the tub. I don't put chemicals in there, but I'm in it, so, and I've got the GoPro so you can see it under the water what's going on. With it all turned off, the heater and the pump, remove the whole filter housing. I'm going to put the chem connect housing on with the 2 chlorine tablets in. Turn it a little bit so there's two little slots to allow the chemical to come out. Get the dirty water out. I just wash these with a hose. A bit of a public hair on there. It's a bit mucky. Nice clean one. While I'm down here now, I wondered if anyone can comment in the comment section about whether they had a similar problem that we had. Just to the left of this, I'm going to show now with my hand. We had a problem where the floor was like too big. It had like a lump underneath. You could push it down with your hand, but the weight of the water wouldn't push it down. And I rang Bestway and they said, oh, I said, it's like the floor's too big. And they said, oh, it'll settle out, it'll spread. And it'll flatten out and it'll go. And we're like, oh, yeah, sure it will. It was about so long, it was about a foot long, it was about that width there, the span of my finger. It was about 2 inches deep. And you could just push it with your hand and it would go down. And they said leave it for 8 weeks. And I think after just one day we just noticed it had just gone. It was just flat. It did spread out the base. Just wondered if anyone else had that problem, you know. I just do this every 3 or 4 days now. I tend to keep the chlorine a little bit higher. Usually we run it. I know sunlight and without the top on, it can get rid of the chlorine as well as you know, it kills the germs and bacteria in your body and that. So we like to run it with the top off for a bit, but I had just run it with the tablets in, so it was a little bit high on this. Anyway, hope there's a bit of info for you there, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.